Hi guys, what's up everybody? This is Boyton the Cubing, and today I'd like to do an unboxing of the Gans 357, Gans 3 version 357. So as you can see, the box with the QR code, really nice. This is what Felix Zemdex is using as his main 3x3. So yeah, let's open the box. What it comes with is instruction paper and the cube. There is no extra stickers because I bought it from a vendor, so they don't, which doesn't include stickers. So yep. And let's do first turns. Wow, this cube is really light, and it comes with a really big screwdriver for screwing the nut. So yep. Look at the turnings. Okay, let's see whether it can corner cut. So 45. Oh, more than 45. Whoa, 60 I think. Oh, that's really cool. Look at this. Okay, probably around 55. Yep, we can cut backward corner cuts, line to line. Okay, this is really good. 60 degrees corner cut. Oh my god. This is the primary colors, as you can see. So yeah, I'm enjoying this cube, so stay tuned for a review and peace out.